I am Dr. Khokon Kumar Dotto. My Christian name is Dr. David Boone. I'm currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology in Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University in Gopalganj, Bangladesh. The title of my discussion is Mitochondrial Translocation of TXNP or TBP2 or VDUP1 kills insulin producing pancreatic beta cells in diabetes. Khokon Kumar Dutta et al. For the first time discovered the presence of thyroredoxin binding protein 2 TBP2 inside the mitochondria of rat renal proximal tubular cells in 2005. We also confirmed the cytoplasmic and nuclear locations for TBP2 for the first time using direct assay method. The report was published in the pathology section of Nature Laboratory Investigation. TBP2 is known as thyroredoxin interacting protein TXNP in humans. It is also known as vitamin D3 upregulated protein 1 VDUP1 as it is the most sensitive and responsive gene under vitamin D3 application or treatment or administration in the human body. We also reported the physical interaction between mitochondrial thyroidoxin 2, TRX2, and TBP2 in vitro. This was also the very first time discovery internationally. TRX2 in normal condition neutralizes free radicals inside the cellular mitochondria. TBP2 inhibits antioxidant activities of TRX2 by blocking the thiol groups in the active site. It is to mention here that there are many sites inside the cells that generate free radicals, including the mitochondria. But the major part of free radicals are generated inside the mitochondria, which is mostly very toxic and harmful for humans and other species on this planet. To mention here that the number of mitochondria in single cell vary greatly in human body. Mature erythrocytes or RBC have no mitochondria. But in the liver, only one cell may contain up to 2000 mitochondria. Mitochondrial respiratory chain is a good source for free radicals production. It is suspected that the components of thiol defense system and the respiratory chain may have some sort of crosstalks and involvements in the ROS production inside the mitochondria. The detailed functions and importance of mitochondrial TBP2 or TXNP or VDUP1 remained unknown for several years after the first time discovery in the mitochondria of rat renal proximal tubular cells in 2005. At present, it seems that mitochondrial TXNP or TBP2 or VDUP1 or translocation of TXNP or TBP2 or VDUP1 inside the mitochondria is one of the most critical events for good health and disease in humans at least. Jittu Saxena et al. Published an article in December 2009 in the Journal of Biological Chemistry entitled Intracellular Shuttling and Mitochondrial Function of Thyroidoxin Interacting Protein. The group found that in normal insulin producing beta cells of the pancreas, TXNP is primarily located inside the nucleus. But under oxidative stress, TXNP translocates inside the mitochondria. The group confirmed the presence of TXNP inside the mitochondria using cellular fractionation and confocal microscopy. TXNP was detected with JY2 antibody and fluorescein isothiocyanate labeled secondary antibody, which looks green under confocal microscope. MitoTracker red was used to visualize the mitochondria, which looks red in confocal microscopy. In co-immunoprecipitation experiment, the group found interaction between TXNP and TRX2 in the mitochondrial fraction. A significant increase in the interaction between TXNP and TRX2 was found under oxidative stress. They found that TRX2 downregulation results in dramatic increase in phosphorylated or activated ASK1. ASK1 is a major mitogen activated protein kinase involved in mediating oxidative stress initiated signals and regulating apoptotic cell death. ASK1 is expressed in both cytosol and mitochondria. ASK1 activity is regulated by phosphorylation and dephosphorylation. Phosphorylation of serine 967 results in activation of ASK1. Activated ASK1 leads to major cytochrome C release from the mitochondria into the cytosol, a classical marker for intrinsic mitochondrial cell death pathway. Knockdown of cytosolic TRX1 had no such effect. Moreover, knockdown of TRX2 resulted in a dramatic activation of caspase 3 in the cytoplasm, whereas the effect of TRX1 siRNA was not significant. It was clear from their experiment that mitochondrial TRX2 plays a unique and critical role in beta cell survival and death. The group found that overexpression of TXNP in beta cell using stable transfection leads about 10-fold higher presence of TXNP inside the mitochondria, which lead to a strong induction of oxidized TRX2 in the ionized TXNP cells. The effects was much more pronounced than that was observed in response to hydrogen peroxide in ionized 1 cells. siRNA mediated silencing of TXNP led to about 3-fold increase in TRX2 ASK1 binding, as was assayed by immunoprecipitation and was found to block ASK1 phosphorylation and activation. The effects were the exact opposite findings in response to TXNP overexpression. Anat Shalay published an article in October 2008 in the Journal of Biochemical Society Transactions entitled Lack of TXNP Protects Beta Cells Against Glucotoxicity. It is known that high glucose induced glucotoxicity is a major contributor in pancreatic beta cell apoptosis or death and in diabetes progression. She used pancreatic islets of HCV19 mice and islets of normal wild type mice for the experiments. TXNIP deficient islets of HCV19 mice harbors a natural nonsense mutation in the TXNIP gene. The islets of both HCV19 and C3H control mice were incubated at low and high glucose levels. In C3H islets, high glucose led to significant elevation of TXNIP and apoptosis associated increases caspase 3. No increase in apoptosis was observed in TXNIP deficient HCV19 islets. TXNIP activity was required for beta cell death caused by glucotoxicity. Shun Kuin Cheng et al. Published an article in February 2010 in the Journal of Diabetes entitled Lack of TXNIP Products Against Mitochondria Mediated Apoptosis but not against fatty acid induced ER stress mediated beta cell death. Glucose induced a dramatic increase in islets TXNIP expression both in vitro and in vivo, whereas fatty acids had no such effect. TXNIP deficiency does not effectively protect against palmitate or thapsigargin induced beta cell apoptosis, but specifically prevents cesarosporin or glucose induced toxicity. All the results discussed above make it clear that the entry of TXNIP into the mitochondria is the major determinant of insulin producing beta cell death in diabetes. The contributions of mitochondrial TXNIP in beta cells death can be discussed in other ways also. When mitochondria are damaged, they are usually removed in a process called mitophagy. But if the mitochondria are severely damaged and undergoes excessive mitophagy and not removed by dysregulated mitophagy, cells usually commit a catastrophic consequences and death. Tak Hilambam Swarnalata Devi et al. Published an article in May 2017 in the Journal of Cell Death and Disease entitled TXNIP regulates mitophagy in retinal Mueller cells under high glucose conditions. Implications for diabetes retinopathy. High glucose upregulates TXNIP in the cytosol as well as in the mitochondria of the rat Mueller cell line of the retina. The high presence of TXNIP in the mitochondria induce oxidative stress and membrane depolarization in prolonged hyperglycemia, which lead fragmentation of the mitochondria. The damaged mitochondria are targeted to lysosome for mitophagic degradation. Continued ROS generation, accumulation, and excessive mitophagic flux led energy collapse and autophagic cell death. Shun Lin Wang et al. Published an article in July 2016 in Nature Scientific Reports entitled Thioredoxin interacting protein TXNIP regulates tubular autophagy and mitophagy in diabetic nephropathy through the mTOR signaling pathway. In diabetic kidney, high presence of TXNIP causes excessive ROS production, inflammatory and fibrotic responses. The group used TXNIP DNAzyme and scrambled DNAzyme to evaluate the effects of TXNIP on these pathologic events. Streptozotocin induced diabetic rats were given TXNIP DNAzyme or scrambled DNAzyme for 12 weeks respectively. TXNIP DNA enzyme dramatically attenuated extracellular matrix deposition in the diabetic kidneys compared to the controlled DNA enzyme. Accumulation of autophagosomes and reduced autophagic clearance was shown in tubular cells of human diabetic compared to non-diabetic kidneys, which was reversed by TXNIP enzyme. High glucose induced mitochondrial dysfunction and mitochondrial ROS production and inhibited mitophagy in proximal tubular cells, which was reversed by TXNIP siRNA. TXNIP inhibition suppressed diabetes-induced BNIP3 expression and activation of mTOR signaling pathway. Lalit P. Singh et al. Published an article in September 2017 in the Journal of JAWS Ophthalmology entitled The Role of TXNIP in Mitophagy Dysregulation and Inflammasome Activation in Diabetic Retinopathy, a New Perspective. Shun Jin Shu et al. Published an article in January 2020 in the Journal of Neuroscience Bulletin entitled Thioredoxin Interacting Protein TXNIP Regulates Perkin PINK1 Mediated Mitophagy in dopaminergic neurons under high glucose conditions. Implications for molecular links between Parkinson's disease and diabetes. Vaibhav Shidarala et al. Published an article in December 2020 in the Journal of Clinical Investigation entitled Mitophagy Protects Beta Cells from Inflammatory Damage in Diabetes. The group used mitophagy reporters in their experiments. They observed that diabetogenic pro-inflammatory cytokines induced mitophagy in response to nitrosative or oxidative mitochondrial damage. Mitophagy deficient beta cells were sensitized to inflammatory stress, leading to the accumulation of fragmented dysfunctional mitochondria, increased beta cell death, and hyperglycemia. C-type lectin domain family 16, member A, SLEC16A, is a regulator of mitochondrial quality and mitophagy. It is also known that SLEC16A targets Perkin through ubiquitin ligase NRDP1 to mediate its effects in the regulation of mitophagic process. Overexpression of SLEC16A was found to ameliorate cytokine-induced human beta cell apoptosis. Mitophagy promotes beta cell survival and prevents diabetes by countering inflammatory injury. From the discussions, it is clear that mitochondrial translocation of TXNIP or TBP2 or VDEP1 is the one of the key players behind the dysregulated mitophagic plaques in beta cells of pancreas, which causes death of beta cells and insulin deficiency in diabetes. To mention here that TXNIP is also known to directly regulate insulin transcription and production in the pancreas through microRNA 204. Anyway, I'd like to wish better days for you everybody. Thank you.